Okay class, now we discuss about example 6. So example 6, it is about solving linear differential equation. So in this example, we need to solve the equation y prime plus 3 over sy equal to 2 over s squared with the initial condition when s equals to 1, then y equal to 2. Okay, so based on this equation, we have found that we have y prime. Okay, so y prime, it is also equivalent with dy dx, or in other words, we can say that y prime is a derivative respect to x on y. Okay, so based on this equation, we identified that this is about linear equation because it is in the form of dy dx plus p of xy, it is equal to 3q of x. Okay, so now our p of x here is 3 over x and q of x here is 2 over x to the power of 2. Since it is a linear differential equation, then we can find, or we can use these two steps to find the general solution. So the first step here, we need to find integrating factor, which based on this formula, which is exponent of integral p of x dx. Okay, so based on this example, our integrating factor here is the exponent of integral 3 over s dx, and it is equivalent with exponent of 3 natural log of x, and it is equivalent with s to the power of 3. Okay, so based on this, which is a 3 natural log of x, it is also equivalent with natural log of x to the power of 3. Okay, so since we have exponent of 3 natural log of x, it is also equivalent exponent of natural log of x to the power of 3. Okay, so since we have exponent and natural log, we can solve it or we can simplify. Then here we have x to the power of 3. Okay, so that is why our integrating factor here is x to the power of 3. Okay, so next step, we need to find general solution y, which is y equal to 1 over u of x multiply with integral of q of x du of x dx. Okay, so here we have this equation for y, which is 1 over s to the power of 3 multiply with 2 over s to the power of 3 times s to, again we have this y, which is y equal to 1 over s to the power of 3 multiply with this integral, which is 2 over s squared times s to the power of 3 respect to x. Okay, so here we can simplify. Then here we will have an integral of 2x dx. So this one we need to solve it. Then here we have x to the power of 2. Therefore, our y here is 1 over x plus c over s to the power of 3. Okay, so since we have a initial condition, which is when x equals to 1, then y and s equals to 1 equal to 2, it is 2. Okay, so here we need to use this initial condition to find our constant c. Alright, so next what we need to do here is we need to insert this value, which is when s equals to 1, then y equal to 2 in this equation, which is y at 1, which is at s equals to 1, it is equivalent with 1 over 1 plus c over 1 to the power of 3, it is equivalent with 2. Okay, so we solve this equation, then we will have our c here is a 2 minus 1, then our c here is 1. Alright, so therefore the particular solution for this case is y of x, it is equivalent with 1 over x plus 1 over x to the power of 3. Okay, so this solution we call it as a particular solution.